Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are down by the Fesco Oval on Spanish Town Road, and we're giving you an update on the new Popeyes and Burger King location that recently opened. Now Fesco built a massive gas station on Mandela Road and put a food court, not a food court, a convenience store, and then they put a Tasty Patties location. Did extremely well. That is the number one gas station in Jamaica. They also did a similar setup out by Angels in St. Catherine, right before you get to the Bogwall Gorge. Gas station, convenience store, fast food restaurant. Does well. So they have replicated that model here on Spanish Town Road, and they've called this location the Fesco Oval. But they have done it on a much grander scale. They set up the gas station and then they built a plaza. And this is a plaza we're looking at now. And then they also built a convenience store. So the plaza is going to have Popeyes and Burger King. This is the gas station section now. And the Popeyes and Burger King recently opened. So this one is definitely a mega development out here on Spanish Town Road. And what's very interesting is Spanish Town Road is known mostly for commercial activities, big warehouses, manufacturing plants. Some of the largest manufacturing companies in Jamaica are on this road. But you don't have much fast food restaurants. I don't think you have much plazas either on this side of the road anyway. So this one is definitely interesting, and we will keep you guys updated as to how this plaza does. And also there are a lot of other stores that haven't opened yet, so we'll keep you updated on that as well. But Spanish Town Road has a lot of communities off it, so it definitely has a lot of traffic. It is actually the third busiest road, or it's among the top 3 busiest roads in Jamaica, in Kingston. Mandela Highway, without a doubt, is the busiest road in Jamaica. Then you have Washington Boulevard, and then you have Spanish Town Road. That could be 2 or 3 respectively. Alright guys, giving you a quick update today. Let us know what you think of this new plaza and the gas station. Leave your comments in the section below. Okay, this is Spanish Town Road. We're just showing you the entrance to the plaza of Spanish Town Road. Alright guys, have a good day.